Hello Pete, it's Rob here at Boss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 ZX10. There is a 26,000 kilometers on the motorcycle and the price is $98.88. The offer you sent me, it looks pretty legit, so depending on your credit, it should work the way you want. With 2,000 down payment, the bike is fully certified, brand new tires, this is a Yoshimura carbon exhaust. It's a full system as you see here. The front tire is same, brand new, matching as the rear one as well. Has some nice tank protectors and extra grips on it. The fender eliminator is installed as well. It has a tail light with integrated signals in it too. The center stand spools are on the motorcycle. The bike is in really nice shape, looks amazing. So for the application, what I would suggest you can do the online application. We'll get you approval and I'll do my best to get the numbers you want. So it might be $20 plus and minus, so let's see, depending on the term as well. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.